5 years. Today we discuss about process planning and cost estimations. Cost planning, cost estimations involve different types of cost estimations and manufacturing process. Here discuss for production cost estimation. Production cost estimation based on different types of manufacturing process and relevant costs associated for manufacturing the product. Here production cost means estimation of forging shop, welding shop and foundry shops. These are the some manufacturing process related to what are the costs invested for manufacturing the product. Here you can say as a forging component, how to create one particular component, what are the common drawings related to cost investment is considered as a forging cost estimation. Example problem for forging common 750 stepped spindles of size shown in figure are to be made by machine forging. Estimate the net weight, gross weight and number of bars required if mild steel bars are available in 4 meter length and 25 mm diameter. Take the density of mild steel bars 7.6 gram per cc. Consider all the possible forging losses. Forging losses means you have to select raw materials and then cut the raw material into specified size. Then what are the material losses, shear losses, concord loss and other losses. All the possible losses are considered to calculate the cost of the final component. Here for the drawing the basic dimensions for the stepped steps. Here 4 steps are given. First step 42 diameter, second step 30 mm diameter, third step 25 mm diameter, fourth step 16 mm diameter. Each step for different length. Section A 15 mm, section B 30 mm, section C 35 mm and section D 70 mm length. Here consider as a stepped step. Totally 750 stepped spindles are manufacturing and calculate the total cost of the 750 components. First of all, given value, number of components 750 components, length of spindle raw material 4 meter, diameter of workpiece 25 mm, density of material 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 kilogram per mm cube. Here find out the net weight and gross weight of 750 stepped spindles. Then number of bars required to manufacturing the 750 components. First of all, find out the net weight and gross weight required to manufacturing the 750 components. First of all, find out the net volume of the components. Net volume means volume of stepped shafts, volume of portion A, B, C and D. Find out and then add it to find out the net volume of the component. Here consider as a stepped shaft is a circular cross section. Then volume will be called as a circular shaft means pi by 4 d square into L. Then volume of A means pi by 4 d square into L. Same volume of B considers the second stepped portions B corresponding dimensioning pi by 4 into 30 square into 30. Same ways cross section C and cross section D considers volume. Then calculate the net volume of the component. Next find out the net weight per piece. Net volume calculated, then multiplied by the density of the material to find out the net weight of the component, individual components. Next find out the net weight of 750 spindles. Previously we find out the net weight of single component. Here net weight of 750 spindles means single spindle 0.5566 kg multiplied by 750 numbers means to find out the net weight of the 750 spindles is 417.48 kg. Next to find out gross weight per piece means we have to consider all the possible losses, forging losses you have to consider to calculate the gross weight of the components. Before that, we have to find out the possible losses for considering the forging operation. First loss is a CL loss. CL loss calculated by the 5% of net weight of the components. Already calculated for net weight of single components is 0.5566 kg. Out of that weight, you have to consider as a 0.5% of net weight as a CL loss. Then finally we have to find out the CL loss 0.02783 kilogram or 27.83 grams. Same as next one, scale loss. Scale loss means consider as a 6% of net weight. Already net weight is also calculated. Then net weight multiplied by 6% means finally calculate the scale loss. Next one, class loss. Class loss consider as a standard dimensioning, taking class width equal to 20 mm and class thickness equal to 3 mm. Then class loss equal to volume of class into density. Volume of class means circumference of the component at parting line. Outer surfaces consider a surface length consider a circumference of component at parting line related to die portions into flash width and flash thickness. Consider circumference means top and bottom two surfaces consider as a circumference of common to consider 2 into 15 plus 30 plus 35 plus 70 is a length. And next consider as a height of portions. Height means 16 plus 25 minus 16 is only considers a circumference of component at a parting line only. That's why you consider 25 minus 16 plus 30 minus 25 plus 42 minus 30 plus 42 into flash width 20 mm into flash thickness 3 mm. Finally, volume of flash to 800 mm cube. Next, flash loss multiplied by density of the materials to find out the flash loss. Next, tongue hole loss. Tongue hole loss considers a 20 mm extra length required for holding the work pieces per tongue. Tongue hole loss equal to area cross section of bar into length of tongue hole into density of the material. Area cross section of bar means initially select the diameter of work pieces as 20 mm. Then area of cross section means 5 by 4 to 25 square 25 square. Into length of tongue hole considers 20 mm into density of material as 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 6. Finally, calculate for tongue hole losses 0.04746 kg or 4.6 grams. Next, spore loss considers 7% of net. 7% means 7 into 0.5566. Finally, considers 0.0389 kilos. Next, calculate the total material losses. Ordinary calculated for CS tongue hole loss and other plus all other losses are already calculated. All the full losses are calculated and added for the total material losses. Material loss equal to 27.8 33.9 plus 173.3 plus 4.6 plus 38.96. All the 5 full loss added to calculate the material losses. Total material losses equal to G4808 grams or 0.48 kg. Finally, find out the weight of the component. Gross weight means the net weight and the total material losses to the gross of the component. Here, gross weight of the components net weight already called for 0.566 plus total is 0.348. Finally, of the components equal to 0.046 kg. Next is called for only one spindle. Here manufacturing 750 spindle. Weight of 750 spindle equal to single spindle weight 0.4 multiplied by 750. Finally,
750 spindle, weight 608.45 kg. It's number of condition of bars required to manufacturing these spindles. You can say gross volume of spindle equal to gross weight divided by gram means already counted for 3000 grams, 78.5 kilograms. Then measure 10.6 into 24 minus 6. We calculate the gross volume of the length of the bar socket. Sound which means initially we choose the top work as a common diameter 1.5 per 150 spindles number of bar circuit. We find out same condition. Volume of equal to area of into length of volume means question says area into square into length bar circuit or not and says finally volume of equal to 190.8. We find already find gross volume. So considers gross volume to length bar circuit of bar gas 185 meter comes length of available inside vinegar 181.8 manufactured 70 spindles. Number of bars of form equal to 1.5. Bars manufacturing 70 functioning for